If you are curious about how to make your own matcha at home, then today I've got a real treat for you. I'm going to show you the matcha that I've been making. It's like a matcha latte in a NutriBullet. You can use any blender to make it. I'm going to show you my little secret and how to make it delicious and divine every time. I'm using maple syrup to sweeten and a whole lot of love. So let's go take a quick peek and see how easy it is to make your own delicious matcha latte at home. Before we do that, please remember to give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you like this, please let me know how you get on and leave a comment. I love to read your comments. All right, let's go. So I want about 10 cashews, a tablespoon of oats, a heaped teaspoon of matcha powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and about a tablespoon of maple syrup. And then let's add 350 milliliters of water. And then once you've got your lid on nice and securely, you want to blend that for about 60 seconds, which should give everything, especially the cashews, enough time to blend down. And then you want to pop it in a pan, little saucepan, bring it to the boil, give it a little stir as it's coming to the boil, and then when it comes to the boil, you're done. And there you go. If you want to make it a little bit posh, just put some rose petals on it. So let's have a little taste. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. It's just on the right side of sweetness. You can adjust that to your preference. It's nice and creamy, which the oats have just creamed it up nicely, and the cashews. It's delicious. I think you're going to love it. Let me know how you get on. Remember to subscribe and give me a like here, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.